Good evening, everybody. Welcome. This is Country Life Nice, and I'm going to take you right into the kitchen where my daughter is preparing Epis, an Asian seasoning. So, guys, join us to the end. And at the end of the video, we are going to go to Dollar Tree and we are going to get a few items. Stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can even comment below. If you are enjoying this video so far, you can even share it to your family, to your friends. I have tried the Asian seasoning. I tried it one time. My daughter showed me how to make it, and it has come out perfectly. It's almost as like Jamaican, like when you're making Jamaican jerk seasoning. It's the same thing. And the only thing that they don't do with this Epis seasoning, they don't add browning. So our Jamaican jerk seasoning, we put browning in it. And everything from Asian seasoning, how they made it, it's the same thing, but only thing they don't use browning. So you have some people they use their own natural seasoning, and everybody make their seasoning different. So yes, guys, this is when we finish with the seasoning. We season the chicken, and then we get the baking tin, and we coat the pan with a little margarine, and then we add in our chicken. So, guys, as you watch and you see everything unfold, this is it. This is the finished product. So, we're going to put this into the oven and let them bake. So, guys, this is it. Guys, you know, it's a long time me I cook by myself. Yeah. Remember when we were small, my mother used to in the kitchen and cook, and we used to sit down and watch her. And we the first time days when you grew up in the country, a nice thing, because when time my mother cook, so the little tin, the milk can them, we used to have the milk can them. I don't know if any Caribbean people like Jamaica especially, when your parents are cooking in the kitchen, we have a little milk can by the side. Then days then we used to use wood fire. And them set up the wood fire and you have the line in them, yeah, like steel, where you put the pot pan, and we used to have a little milk can with the food. We used to have a milk can with the food. I cook a little pot, guys. Yes. Them days they did good, me I tell you. So from those days we learned to cook. And right now, you see my daughter just take on the skill. She a learn, she a cook. Sometimes me say she cook and me have to, if me not stand up and I look at her, me I wonder, my God, it look like she can cook better than me now. I tell you, she can cook good, you see, guys. Sometimes me just stand up and I look at her. And I watch her, guys. She cook good, me not lie. When she cook, it come like say, say she born a Jamaica and grew a Jamaica. And she hardly a cook Jamaican food. Asian food she a cook, She get to love the Asian cooking. Right here now, up here, Asian food she a cook, give me to eat. Sometimes I not like it, but sometimes, well, what me I go do? Me eat it. So guys, so we bake a little cake, and this is the chicken now in the oven. So she take out the chicken now and I try look on it. I want to burn up, So guys, she cover it with this file paper so that it can steam. So we don't want no raw meat. So when it steam and she want to get the color. She take off the file paper and then she put it back, and that's how we have our. So guys, here is the finished product of our baked chicken, and we have broccoli and spaghetti. So that's it guys, this is our dinner. So now we're gonna take you to Dollar Tree. So me I walk here, I go Dollar Tree guys. Like, share, subscribe. If you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe to Country Life Nice. I'm walking to Dollar Tree. See you when I get in the store guys. Bye, thank you for joining. So now we're entering in here. Dollar Tree. You still come back and take up the same something, see there? The same thing where they take up, you know?
Yeah, but I never bought it.
You know? Oh gosh.
I never bought Tree.
Yeah, they have everything. So where we can get that?
Oh, remember the thing that was on the lady's lawn?
It is ananas. Yeah, where she throw over the flower tree. See? Why not? Well, you feel the Halloween season. Yeah, now she get the fever of Halloween. Yeah, try look something to clean this the grill. Yes guys, we are back here at Dollar Tree. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, Country Life Nice. Welcome. You can share your opinion in the comments below. No judging, no discriminating. Watch her, she loves sharp, watch her. I forgot to me have some clothes I wash in my machine. Cranberry. Yeah, something like that. So what happened to the brush? You have to go get one gloves too. Yeah. What happened to this?
What?
This.
I said I don't want to break my back. And I could take the broomstick off of the thing.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, it can work.
Yeah.
The course too, Jesus.
I'm gonna strip the floor at that. And I could take the broomstick.
Yeah, get one of them something for the pot.
What?
One of them something.
That
You can wash the pot?
That's too flimsy.
Oh, I never see them one then. Yeah, get that.
Well, I hate that they
yeah, them always like the wire them a come out tight. Scotch Brite. You have to buy what you want. You love them for something nice. I'll do anything with coconut, always nice. Some cashew. And I want the pistachio. And I want the pistachio. Oh, in your fields. Oh, in your full so.
I'm coming to eat no sunflower seeds. Look at one of them.
Well, that's still. I have them in a long time. You used to buy them, but at the mix one them, they mix with everything. They used to pack them out at town and sell them.
I used to get the
Bend down and take care. This looks like a spicy something.
It's not, it's the same thing. It's honey roast.
So all that good.
Sweet honey roast is the same thing.
We call a bag right. So we are heading back out of Dollar Tree. Epa, they're done for the day. We're heading back out. Guys, you subscribe yet? Run on and go subscribe. I will side the steer wheel there. Make it come like say I'm here drive. And we took out the yard. Oh God. It was a quick run. If I put on my seatbelt. You start here. So guys, we reach home. So we reach home, so we are going to plant up some flowers. So let me take out my couture